All right, so if a tile is on fire, we need to know about that, and we're going to indicate it with a graphic. So in data buy system, where we are shoving all of the different static data for all of these systems in dependency order, within this section, within the ABOMB08 systems data that exists only on the client side, the not Node.js environment, within here, we have different categories of graphics, right? We have the everything and nothing graphics. We have the geom designs for the jaw shader, like the default geom. We have the alternate designs for like destroyed geometry. And I believe if we scroll down here on the alternate graphics, yeah, here we go. So we have some numbers. They're all 1 for solid, liquid, and gas, and we're just going to use these to help us create these little patterns and kind of see what they are. But when a solid tile is on fire, we're going to use a little S here to indicate that it's a solid tile on fire and put like a little target design around it. Then we're going to do the same thing for the liquid and vapor. So right here, alternate tile 14 is a liquid tile that is on fire, so we're going to draw a little L here in 1s, and then put like a little target pattern around here. And then finally, alternate graphic 15, that is a vapor tile on fire, so we're going to put a little G for gas in the middle. Yes, it should technically be a V, but a V is a lot harder to draw than a G, so I'm not even gonna fucking try. Okay, so all we did was add those 3 graphics, and then what we did previously, and some footnotes, and then a whole bunch of thoughts down here. This is actually what we did, and this is a whole bunch of meanderings about what I thought I was about to do. Okay, so if you want a longer explanation, you're gonna have to go to tinyurl.com/ninjaplaylist8. Right now, you're here on Kanji Playlist 8. We don't have time here because it's the fast code review. Source code is here, ways of getting a hold of me. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game. It is open source, and I am documenting every fucking single line of code. I'm writing the server, the rendering engine, everything. I'm writing it all from complete scratch and documenting every fucking single line of code. If you don't believe that I'm documenting every fucking single line of code, then I don't know what to tell you. I'm doing it. It's not an exaggeration. Every single line of code.